In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer money from Shopify to bank account. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, payments, and account details. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your store, including how your payments are handled. After you open Settings, click on Payments from the left-hand menu. This area shows the payment methods connected to your Shopify store and gives you access to your payout information. On this page, locate the Shopify Payments section. This is the section you will use to review the money coming into your account and confirm where those funds are being sent. Next, click the View Payouts button. This will show you your earnings, recent payouts, and any scheduled transfers to your bank account. Reviewing this page can help you understand when money has already been sent and when the next transfer is expected. If you are tracking cash flow for your business, this is an especially useful section to check regularly. From there, click on Payout Settings. In this area, you can verify or edit your connected bank account details. It is important to make sure the information listed here is correct, because Shopify uses these details to send your funds. If your bank account information needs to be updated, this is where you would handle that before future payouts are processed. Once your bank account details are confirmed, there is nothing else you need to do to manually move the money. Shopify automatically transfers your funds to your linked bank account based on the payout schedule set up for your account. Depending on your settings, this may happen daily, weekly, or monthly. The exact timing can also vary depending on your region and your bank's processing times, so it is normal if the funds do not appear instantly. If you are waiting for a payout, checking the payouts page is the best way to confirm its status and expected deposit timing. This helps you stay informed and avoid confusion about when the money should arrive. That covers everything you need to know.